Hi, today we'll be showing you how to set up the project tracking option within your HRweb account. Once you've added the project tracking option to your account and you've logged in, you'll want to go to your settings link at the top of the screen here. You'll click on the settings and you'll want to scroll down to time clock and scheduling settings. Once you'll click that, you'll notice now that you've added the project tracking option, you'll have a projects tab. This is the tab that you'll be able to create your projects and tasks within HRweb. You'll want to click on this tab and you'll notice that because it's brand new, you don't have any projects listed. To create a project, you'll want to click Add, assign a name to the project. You can also assign a code as well. And you can leave it active or inactive so you can plan projects out in the future. Currently, I'm going to leave this project as active. And now that I've created a project, I'm also going to want to associate tasks that employees can do within the project. So I can click on the project itself and the task menu will appear. I'm going to add a task, you click Add. I'm going to name the first task, give it a code. And right now, you can connect it to a service such as a department or something like that within your company. But right now, for this task, I'm not going to do that currently. You can create multiple tasks within each project. To do that, you can click Add and create a second task. And you can assign a code to it. Now that I have a project and tasks assigned to it, I can activate it within my clock. To do that, I want to go to my Groups tab. I can select one of my groups. Right now I'm going to select my default group. I click Edit, and you'll see now a drop-down menu that says Use Projects. This is how you can set projects up for specific employees within your organization. You can create a new group and just assign that group to those employees. So for this, I want to assign projects to all the employees in my account, so I'm going to say Use Projects Yes. Once I do that and save changes, when I click on the clock here in the top, you'll notice when it expands, I now have a choice of projects I can choose from. I can select the task here that I'm currently doing, and then I can clock in. And once I do that, it'll tell me that I'm working on that project, and it'll show me the project and task that I'm currently doing. If I wish to change tasks throughout the day, all I have to do is click on the clock. If you have more than one task here, it'll say switch, and you can switch between tasks. Or I can go ahead and I can switch between tasks here, and I can stop one, go to another task, and then start it again. Once you set up projects, your employees will be able to switch between projects and tasks within that project, and you'll also be able to generate reports based on the projects that you have within the system. You'll notice now you do have a projects reports tab here, where you can have a projects detail and projects by employee report. The projects detail report will break it down by employee. You'll see. I just clocked into my assembly task, and it doesn't have any hours registered here, but as it keeps track of hours throughout the day, the report will be more detailed. When you're done for the end of the day, all you have to do is you can stop a task if you're not currently working on a specific task, and click back to the regular clock. I can continue working, not assigned to a task, or I can clock out for the end of the day. If you're interested in the project tracking feature for HRweb, to add this to your account, all you'll have to do to go to Settings and then go to Subscription Plan, which will display pricing and information for project tracking. All you'll have to do is choose the project tracking option within HRweb, and our sales department will be informed of any changes to your account. We hope you're interested in this feature, and if you have any questions, please contact us and we'll be glad to help. Thank you and have a great day.